Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In this moment, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Yeni Heriani SWD from SMA Negeri 2 Kota Bogor. In this time, would like to explain about the materials of the study. Yeah, the poem or poetry. Okay. So what is the poem or portrait? Poem or portrait tag is a tag that expresses the feeling and impression of life. A poem can tell a story or give a put thought on experiences, people, or event. Okay, what is the purpose of the poem? Why we have to learn about the poem? Yeah, it to present a description or point of view, usually with thought-provoking image. What is the structure of a poem? Usually, a series of stanzas are used to communicate Put's idea. And then poem can be free verse. Poem can also use a rhyme and rhythm, and poem also can use figure of speech and also using connotative and denotative meanings. Yeah. Okay. Next, what is a rhyme? Rhyme is the sound of two or more words matching. You can hear the rhyme when you read the words aloud. Rhyme can occur within a line or the end of line. When rhyme occurs at the end of lines, it is described by using letters to show the rhyming pattern. Example: there is a young lady from Rye who traveled much faster than light. She set out one day to go on her way and come home previous night. Okay, here we can see there is some word in the end of the line have the same sound like right and light. So because it have the same sound, we can definite it with by using a letter in the last. Yeah, and then the word day. She set out one day to go on her way. The word day and way has also the same sound, but it is different from the same sound that we found in the first time. So we make the word be as the letter at the end of the sentence. Yeah. And come home previous night. The word night, it is similar or have the same sound with the word right and light. So we can use the symbol or letter A. Okay, next. What is a rhythm? The rhythm is the beat of a poem. It is possible to determine the rhythm of the poem by tapping out the syllable of the word and recording this using a full stop to represent an accented syllable and to represent accented one. Example, the highwayman came riding up to the old inn door. No? What kind of figure of speech that are usually found in the poems? Yeah, here is only the example. There are many figure of speech that we can find. Yeah, but here is the some example that I will give you. The first one is alliteration. Kemudian the next one is assonance, euphemism, hyperbole, onomatopoeia, personification, similes, and metaphor. What is alliteration? Alliteration is the use of the same letter or sound in two or more words that are close together. It is indicated by repeated consonant. Example, Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter is bitter. So we can find the word or the letter B here in the and have the close. They are close together in one sentence. Okay, next here is assonant. Assonant is the use of the same letter or sound in words that are close together. It is indicated by repeated vowel or vowel sound. Example, I lie here and cry. My eyes like fires, burning high, so high yet night spy it. Okay, the italic word that I have here, yeah, represent the assonant. Yeah, I lie here and cry. My eyes like fires, burning high, so high yet night spy it. Okay, now let's continue. What is euphemism? Euphemism is a polite or less direct way of saying something. Example, her clothes have seen better days. It means her clothes are old. He wears a stranger the truth. The stranger the truth is mean he told lie. No, what is hyperbole? Hyperbole is an exaggeration. Here are two examples. It wears a raining coat and dog. The paper made her forehead boiling hot. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is the use of words that sound like the action they represent. Example, the click of his finger, the beast of the snake. Now, what is personification? Personification means describing non-human things as though they were alive or human. What a word that indicate personification are he, him, she, and her, or verbs that usually go with things that are alive. Example, she has been a great ship, said the Captain Brown bird. The dam was tired of holding back the water. Now what is simile? Simile is used to show the similarity between two things. Words are to construct simile are like, as if, as though. Yeah. Example, she had a memory like an elephant. She had eyes like a hawk.